conducting interviews for the position of LPD, Ma'am Julie Paulino. Good morning, ma'am. Can you introduce yourself first, ma'am?
Sige, so good morning. I am Ma'am Julie Palmihar. I am 24 years old and I am currently working at Carnesia Foundation College Incorporated. I graduated from Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges last March 2019 and I took the licensure examination for teachers last September 2019. Then I passed it on December 2019 as well.
So, ma'am, can you share a challenging moment or question you encountered during that examination and how you overcome it?
When I took the licensure examination last September 2019, it was very challenging because first, of course, I am too nervous to took the licensure examination. Kulba man dyan na at first. And then, I was contemplating if, Lord, kaya ba na ko ni? Is this really for me? But of course, you have to trust yourself yun when taking the exam. And then, unfortunately, naglinog sa ato nga time. So, medyo kulba na siya at the same time, pressured ka sa time. So, since I am taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, of course, we have three examination. We have General Education, Professional Education, and sa major. So, sa majorship, it was really hard. Actually, ang Gen Ed, it's really easy. Mura lang kung nag-quiz. Wow. Glory to God, mura lang yung nag-quiz ato nga time because I enrolled sa isa ka review center. So, it's given na ba ang mga questions because of the review center. And then, when it's time to take the Prof Ed na, Prof Ed is one of the hardest kanang exam at that time. Prof Ed is one of the hardest and as well as the major yun. English is one of the hardest major of all licensure examination. So it's hard. At the same time, I was shocked of the questions because I did not anticipate the questions kay ang review is we focused on the mythology and then ang nagawa sa board exam was structure. So if you really don't have the prior knowledge about the structure of English, hindi gid mo siya kaya i-answer. So that's one of the challenges that I faced during the licensure examination. But luckily and fortunately, nakaya ra gyud. Glory to God gyud alone no na nakaya gyud nato tanan. And you really have to one of the things that you have to remember while taking the board exam is to really trust yourself. Kaya during board exam, dili ka pwede mag-cheat. Bawal gid na. Walay cheating. Walay gadgets. Nothing else. Just you and your test booklets. So, always remember na kailangan presence of mind, dili magpadala sa kulba, John. Kasi, mag-shading ba ya? So, if makulban ka, syempre mag-shake imong hands. And then, pwedeng mamalik ni mo og shade. And we all know naman na machine yun ang mag-check no? So, one wrong move and mag-stop na ang pag-check sa machine. So, dapat yun, careful kita dito. So, I think that's it. That's the challenges that I faced during
Second question, ma'am, is how did the NET examination impact your personal and professional growth as an aspiring educator?
It was really not my dream to be a teacher before when I was still in college. nakatawagan ni ko kay katong nag-enroll ko nung wala ko dili pa ko sure kung unsa jud ang akong intake, but over the years of studying, when I was in third year college na nako na embrace ang pagiging educator in the future. So tung na-embrace na nako siya and na try na nako during OJT mag-teach sa mga bata, na feel na nako na ay it's for me. So when I took the licensure examination, ang akong mindset lang dito ato is if you really want to push through with your dream to be an educator, you have to pass the licensure examination first. So when I passed the licensure examination, it was one step sa ako ang dream to be an educator. So it's really kanang give me kanang the assurance and the confidence na kung mag-apply ko as a teacher, I have na kanang murag kumbaga naana ko'y bala sa gera ba nana, because ano na ko kanang license na ko. So it's one step that is needed when you want to become an educator. Kaya of course, without license, murag wala tayo ka ng right ba no, di naman siya gid compulsory, but it's you ba nasa imuha ang kanang sa imong heart na kanang it's your kanang pride kapag license na ka to teach, because you know that you are capable and you know that na you are kanang a licensed teacher, so naadyo kay lisensya pod para magtudlo. So that's one of the kanang reasons and or the impact na hatag sa ako when I passed the licensure examination. Naana po ko yung lisensya magtudlo. So I am confident that I can teach people because I have the license. So that's it.
Here's your last question. What emotions did you feel upon first seeing your name in the results of the LET examination, and how did you explain it to your family and friends?
Funny how the LET exam, it's funny my experience during the result kay I was working back then, because after I took the licensure examination in September 2019, I immediately find a job. So meaning na ako'y trabaho during that time kay December man nagawa sang result, no. So I was in my workplace that time. I am working. But na kayo ko kay we thought that the result will come out November, last November 26, I guess, yun, di ko sure. But that was the initial kanang posting of PRC na magawas na ang result. But the result came out December 1. So at that time, I was at work. Well, ba nakayo kay anytime magawas ang result. But luckily na ako sa work yun, no, kay it's actually a blessing in disguise kay murag nawala sa akong isip, dili kay ko nag-anxiety mag-isip, oh my gosh na nang exam na nang result. So dito magud sa workplace namo dili pwede mag cellphone. So that time wala ko kabalo, and then I was shocked na lang when I saw my cousin holding a cartolina saying na congratulations, he passed the licensure examination for teachers. So I was still in cloud 9 upon seeing that. It was kanang ano dito siya nga feeling, kanang overwhelming ang feeling, and wala pa siya na-process, dili pa na ma-process sa akong mind na oh my god, nakapasa ako sa let mura ko kanang wala ko kabilon sa akong himuon. I am walking back and forth lang sa akong himuon, wala na ako kabalo. Luckily that time dili busy ang store na akong ginatrabahoan, so kanang na ako'y time para sa nani nakapasan ako sa board exam, what's next, mao magid na ang imong isipon, no, what's next, what's the next thing that will happen after you pass the licensure examination. So after ato nakabalon ako na napasa na akong ang exam, nag-adto na ako, pag-break na mo, nag-check og phone, hala, bombarded na ang cellphone, congratulations, saka kung ate man gud mo na nakakita ako sa result. So I did not expect na makapasa ko ato na exam, because katong nag-review ko, wala kayo na ko siya na sa buhay ang pag-review ba murag I thought nga kanang wala lang kung nagadula-dula during that time na naga-review me, but thank God yun no, kay gitagaan yun ko niya og kanang presence of mind during the exam. So I was able to pull off the examination. So kato siya ang ako ang na-feel, and then when I got home, wala pa ko nakahilak, dili ko makahilak kay na-overwhelm lagi ko. So kanang ang feeling good na ma-overwhelm ka, dili ako magud pag ma-overwhelm ko, dili ko makahilak, mura lang ko wala ko kabilon sa akong himuon. So when I got home, na istorya ko sa akong lolo sa kay daddy na anak ko sa iyang daddy nakapasa ko sa exam, tas sana siya nga diba, I told you that you can do it. And I was like, dili ko nag-expect ani anak ko sa iya kay prior to the exam, sige na ko ingon sa ilang nga, uy kung daddy kung dili ko makapasa, sige lang jud, dili jud to para sa kuha na kay negative lagi ang ako ang mind na murag feeling na ako ba wala ko'y confidence sa akong self na makayan ako ang board exam. So when I passed it, dili ko nag-expect, and then at the same time na-overwhelmed ko sa feeling. So wala, and luckily kami tanan sa akong grupo nga nag-take og exam, we passed. So kanang ang feeling of kanang victory ba, victorious gid kayo among feeling ato nga time kay tanan mi nakapasa mi na magbarkada ato nga time. So kanang wala ko'y nagamorn kay walay nakapasa tanan mi happy jud mi. So it was overwhelming, and at the same time kana worried na ko dayon kung saan next na makita po. So basta kato nga time happy lang yun ka, you know, it's full of joy, full of gratefulness and happiness yun kato nga time. So kato lang.